Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Kit Keenan, a contestant on Matt James's season of The Bachelor and the daughter of esteemed fashion designer Cynthia Rowley, is the first to admit she's lived a privileged life, but that doesn't mean she's not down to cook dinner at home in her sweatpants every now and then. 3 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
They shocked fans when they announced their breakup only weeks after The Bachelor finale aired. Astrophysicist Dr. Matt Agnew chose chemical engineer Chelsea MacLeod at the final rose ceremony for the 2019 season of the Channel 10 dating show. 15 February 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Out of 23 seasons of The Bachelor and 15 seasons of The Bachelorette, there are only 10 couples still standing. Fun fact, the cast-offs actually do quite well on their second, or third, fourth, even fifth, chances at finding love on Bachelor in Paradise, the 13th of January 2020.
Take our lead.
James identifies as Black. He graduated from Sanderson High School in 2010 before going to Wake Forest University. James obtained his bachelor's degree in economics from Wake Forest University in 2015, where he was also a wide receiver for Wake Forest Demon Deacons football team from 2011 to 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.